Selene is ready to go. That's all right. Play on. Play We got PJ, the owner of the Lilla Selene, here with us today.
Check that neck out, man. I probably can't see it from there.
Can't see
We'll do the flyby.
Okay, do the
We
flyby.
gotta do the flyby. Standard thing.
You guys knocked it out of the park, man. She's a beauty. No doubt.
Thank you, thank
No
you.
doubt.
So the Lilla Selene flame maple, laminated walnut maple, flame maple neck, with a flame maple fretboard, abalone inlay, glow in the dot side dot markers, swamp ash body with black grain fill, high gloss lacquer finish. We got Seymour Duncans in there. What are these called again?
This one's the 59 custom hybrid.
The 59 custom hybrid. That's what I couldn't remember.
I think are the cool rails.
Cool rails.
Yeah.
2 cool rails. We got the 5-way switch selector. What's that do?
It switches the pickup
The
settings.
switches.
Evidently, it confuses the crap out of Stevie.
It depends on how we decide to wire that because there are lots of options. If you have questions about those options, please call me here at Worth Guitars and ask me.
Yes.
Right now, the way that thing works, your rear position is your humbucker, and then when you go into the second position, it's not really single coils. It splits between parallel and series.
Yeah.
And then your humbucker, and then the same kind of split with the front 2 pickups, and then back to your humbucker, which is it's not that uncommon of a thing. It's a very
It's more of an HSH kind of setup.
I bet it's
Similar. Yeah.
does that kind of thing a lot
Yeah.
with it. But anyway, it's a great sounding guitar. It's very versatile. Lots of sounds in that guitar with a 5-way switch, which is really cool.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Steve Weaver's over here.
He is.
Say hey, Steve Weaver.
Hey.
Steve Weaver is a man of few words. Unless you
I
piss him
just stand
off.
here and look pretty, you know.
It's more than I've heard him say all week.
That's
right there.
So let's hear some more. Play some more.
Split right there. Yeah, the rails they get that. I mean, even on the neck.
Yeah, a lot of nice stratty tunes in that layout.
It's like I was telling you, these rail pickups, for some reason, tend to cut through when you have a bunch of stuff. You know, I'm not using
Yeah,
that word.
and they clean up pretty good
They
too.
clean up
which
good.
is
They
kinda
sound
nice.
good, like like this, just straight in. They do sound good,
Uh-huh.
but when you have a bunch of effects in line, these rails just cut through them.
And you run a buffer up front, right?
I do.
You have okay. So
So yeah, I do have a buffer in here in the front, and just I don't know what it is about the rails. I've had good luck with these in a number of guitars, and for some reason when you're piling you've got crazy delay and you've got some reverb there, and then you throw a chorus in there or a flange or something. These rail pickups stay clear. You can still hear the individual notes.
Yeah.
And that's what I really like about these versus regular single coils tend to the more you stack on them, the more they kind of you lose that definition. You know?
yeah. Well, here, let's do the flyby for these folks
Yeah,
here
right on.
that want to see this thing.
Back in the back.
Hmm.
There you go. There it is. The flyby. Can you get
All
through
the
there?
fun stuff. I think I can do it. I'm little.
You guys are way back there.
They keep me
trying to get
around
all
because
these
I'm
faces.
small enough to do these. All right, you put the patented pie in the patented pan. Worth headstock. You gotta love it. There it is. Tony's favorite tuners. Look at those guys.
Those are dope.
Yeah, they really are cool, aren't they?
Exposed gear.
Um,
Hot rod.
now I'm gonna try to very carefully position this where you can see the flame a little bit. There you go. You can. Yeah, look at that.
That
Okay.
might be the best spot for that camera.
Right? Look at that. We're learning how to do video as we go. It's like video 800, and we almost know. So that, and then the front of it, yeah, look at that. You can kind of see it.
I think that neck was like a happy mistake too.
It was, yeah. It's
And
gonna be
then
plain walnut.
it's not going to show, but the glow in the dark fret markers are the greatest invention on the planet.
Yeah.
We love those here. Flip it over a little bit.
It's got
Neck pocket,
standard maple.
real
It's got
comfortable, easy access up
It's got,
top. We like that. A
some
little bit of the ash on the back of that thing.
And
And then the front, you can see how the ash is on that. Hip shot bridge, we like those. I'm leaning over here, guys. I'm trying not to drop it.
Got the camera in an awkward position today.
Just savor that, ladies and gentlemen, right there. Look. Oh. Okay, my back hurts. I can't do it anymore. There we go. Beautiful guitar.
Absolutely. You guys killed it. Thank
Love
you,
the
sir.
finish on it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like the black green fill in there.
Yeah, that was something. Because I like to be able to see the grain.
Yeah.
So it was just an idea. I was like, what if we
Yeah,
get black color?
it really shows up good.
But I mean, it makes it almost like a antique-ish looking.
Yeah, it's pretty well.
Sort of. But yeah, the green turned out great.
Good looking guitar and black hardware, so it's off that green real nice.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. And then the zebra picks up the.
Yeah, the zebra was a good call on the pickup, zebra pickup.
But yeah, I'm happy. This is beautiful. You guys got to get on the list.
Nobody has brought up it's the elephant in the room to me.
What's that? What's the elephant in the room?
Control cavity.
Oh, that is pretty cool. Yeah, the coffin
It's a
shape.
coffin!
It's a coffin.
Yeah,
Really cool.
Yeah, man, I forgot.
Because my dead soul now lives in the cavity of that guitar. We'll talk about that another time.
Yeah, no, we got-
Wait, you got that back to put into this one?
I did.
Very nice.
All
Guys, I
right.
appreciate it.
Well, congratulations,
We
sir.
were happy
Thank
to
you.
do it.
It's a wonderful guitar.
Yep, absolutely is.
It's always good. Can't wait to hear it rocking on a stage. So.
Yeah.
Now go out there and put some
I was
dings
going to
in.
say, take it out here.
That's always the hard part, right?
Let's
I
scratch
like
it
to play them. I like to
Yeah,
play
scratch
them.
That first ding is always hurts.
That's one of the reasons why I wanted gloss versus satin. It's because I've worn crap out of my satin ones, so where it's just bare wood in spots,
Yeah.
So at least this is going to hold up a little bit.
Yeah, well, it's easier to clean. It's
Yeah.
a lot easier to clean off the goo than that satin. The satin gets sticky.
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by again, man. We just wanted to do the first vid for the Lilla Selene. She's a model now here at Worth Guitars. If you want one, let us know. Please get on the list. We'd be glad to make you one. And it was good to talk to you guys again. Be good to each other out there. Be kind to each other. Get out and see some bands. We love you. Peace. Rock.
Easy out.
Rock on.
See ya.